Welcome to Uprime Podcast. These are a bunch of podcasts that we are doing that should be in the public domain. These are being done for the public interest. So we get started with the opening podcast.
This is Flynn and Akash. I came up with this crazy article on LinkedIn. So it basically said math beats science.
What's crazy about the article?
Math beats science.
Okay.
So how do you prove that?
Okay, so basically what I'm trying to say in the article is like mathematics has always sort of been married to other subjects. It so happens that we live in a period right now that it is the case for its importance is more than before. So I go out giving examples as to how in the past, for like last 100 years, there has always been a tendency from other disciplines like physics to have an inkling towards mathematics. For example, in things that you prove in physics, especially the example that I've stated in the article is pertaining to geometry and how that is related to the physics aspect.
The Einstein's theory of relativity.
Yeah.
And you had compared that with Riemann's this one concept of three-dimensional world and Minkowski's
reason I bought Riemann in the context here is like Riemann died in 1870s. So Riemann literally had the conception of three-dimensional space, which was quite well known to people for about 30 years. So Minkowski, and people expect you to know.
The superhero.
Yeah, they imagine the Nobel Prize winners to be some sort of Renaissance man of 16th century. It's like a Leonardo da Vinci Prize. So they expect you to know everything about every topic, which isn't the case. Nobel Prize is given to a very specific work in a very narrow discipline in that basic sciences. So that might probably be the reason why physicists or people who win prizes in chemistry are more in the limelight or known more to the world than other people. And also, physics answers one of the fundamental questions about life as to the origins of life, as to how we came along and what is the purpose and stuff, and which mathematics doesn't. So that might probably be the reason why mathematicians are literally unknown to this very day. Thanks everyone for watching the podcast. I hope you had a good time understanding and listening to all these things. Hope you come back and watch more.